Hello students, now we are going to discuss about pulse code modulation. PCM is one of the pulse modulation technique. The simplest form of pulse digital modulation is called pulse code modulation. In PCM system, the message signal is first sampled and then rounded off to the nearest standard values is known as quantization levels, so that both time and amplitude are in discrete form. Why it is named as PCM means the message signal is represented by a sequence of coded pulses, so that it is named as pulse code modulation. So PCM system includes the following basic elements: transmitter, transmission path, receiver. Now let us see about the block diagram of PCM transmission system. This is a block diagram. Now the information signal is applied to the band pass filter. The band pass filter, it limits the frequency of analog signal to the standard voice band of frequency range 300 Hz to 3000 Hz. The sample and hold circuit periodically samples the analog input signal and convert those sample to a multi-level PAM. So the main function of sample and hold circuit is convert the analog signal into multi-level PAM signal. The ADC converters converts the PAM signal to parallel PCM codes, which are converted to serial binary data in the parallel to serial converter and then outputted the transmission line as serial digital pulses. And here the repeaters are placed at prescribed distance to regenerate the digital pulses. In the receiver, the serial to parallel converter, the serial pulses received from the transmission line to the parallel PCM codes. The digital to analog converter converts the parallel PCM codes to multi-level PAM signal, and the hold circuit is basically a low-pass filter that converts the PAM signals to its original analog form. A simple thing here, we have converted the analog signal into PAM. In the receiver, again it is converted to PAM into analog signal. This is the PCM transmitter. The basic operation performed in a transmitter systems are sampling, quantizing and encoding. Sampling is the conversion of continuous time signal into discrete time signal, and quantizer is usually converts the representation of signals, that is rounded off to the nearest standard values, and encoder, it represents the each quantized level into the bits. The function of encoder is to encode the discrete set of samples. This is the PCM transmission path. The PCM transmission path is referred as the path between the PCM transmitter and receiver over which the PCM signal travel, and the repeaters are placed at the prescribed distance. The main feature of this PAM is to control the ability to effects of distortion and caused by the noises which is produced by the channel. So PCM achieves this capacity with the help of chain of regenerative repeaters. And see here, the distorted PCM is received here and the noise is removed by the regenerative repeaters. Again it is transmitted through the channel, so the noise is affected by the original signal. Again it can regenerate the PCM signal. This is a PCM receiver, and here a sample and hold circuit in the decoder can be used to convert the digitized word into analog value. So message signal is recovered by passing the decoder output through a low pass reconstruction filter whose cutoff frequency is equal to the message bandwidth. So quantization error or quantization noise, that is the difference between the instantaneous values of the message signal and the quantized signal, that is called it as quantization error or quantization noise. So signal to quantization noise ratio, generally signal to noise ratio means the ratio of signal power to noise power is called signal to noise ratio, and here signal to quantization noise ratio, this is the figure of merit of the PCM system. Maximum signal to the quantization noise ratio for a PCM system with a sinusoidal input signal is given by 4.8 plus 6n, that is the signal to quantization noise ratio. It depends on the number of bits per word. So n is nothing but number of bits per word. So by using this we can calculate the signal to quantization noise ratio. Advantages. So PCM system have very high noise immunity compared to the other digital modulation technique, and due to the digital nature of PCM signal it can be easily stored. Thank you.